Hi everyone, this is Journey Coach Jen, and I wanted to show you a fun, quick little Halloween craft. So check these out. These are adorable Band-Aids. They are Halloween themed. I got them at Target at the dollar spot, and you get 20 of them. They come in these little packs of 2, so you get 10 of these, and look at these. These are adorable. You've got fun little cats. Look, they've got the cool shades. You've got the candy corn with the cool shades. And then again here you've got the skulls. You've got pumpkins. So they are super cute and adorable. And what we're going to make is this really cool little matchbook. And inside I've added 2 of the Band-Aids. So these are fun to give out for Halloween, little tricks, little treats, sugar-free. And so what we do is we take one of these packs and we break it in 2 because we're going to use 2 Band-Aids with the pack. So we'll set that aside for now. And what I've done is we go ahead and take a sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper and actually trim off. Oops, I'm going to bring that down here so you can see what I'm doing. So we have an 8 1/4 by 11 sheet of paper. So we've taken off 1/4 here. And so we are going to score this, and I've marked it here for you, at the 3/8 mark. We're also going to, score it at the 1/2 inch mark, the 4 3/8 mark, the 4 1/2 mark, and then again the 4 5/8 mark. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 score lines that you're doing here. Again, it's 8 1/4 by 11, and you're just scoring straight down with those marks. So once we have those done, we are going to take out our cutter. So we are going to cut this, and we're cutting them in strips. And you can see, look at this. I have some really cool little glitter tape here. It's not for decoration. It's actually to help me measure. So what I've done is I've marked one here at, I hope that is the 1, yep, that's the 1 1/4, and so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to cut it where the score lines are going across, but we're going to cut it up and down. So I butt it up to here, I measure it out, and I cut down, and you get your little matchbook. So I've actually done it in purple, and before you get done with this, you're going to want to take and cut some strips that are 1 inch by 3 inch out of some really fun Halloween prints. So then we've got our strip here, and I've done it in purple. So you go to past your, you don't want to score at the first line, which is the 3/8. You want to score at the 1/2 inch and fold it. This 3/8 line here is going to be your guide where to put the staple. Then you've got your 3 in the middle, and you're just going to kind of bend it like that and just kind of let it form its own little tent. So you've got your 3 different lines there. And so it kind of just rounds it out a little bit. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these prints, and I'm going to go ahead and get my tape on here. And we're going to line it up with that first score line that's at the middle. And see, it'll just come on right down there. You can push it over a little bit. And there you've got your embellished paper on the front. We're then going to take our 2 Band-Aids. Now there is a top part here that has a little flap, and then these bottom areas don't. So we're going to line that up and stick them right inside that lower flap where we have that score piece that's going to be our guide for our stapler. So take your stapler and line it up. See, I've got a little sushi on mine, so I know which stapler is mine. You line it up right on that line and put your staple in, and there you've got it. You've got a really cute little fun Halloween gift. Couple little Halloween Band-Aids you can give out to the kids as they come by for trick-or-treating. Or leave it on a coworker's desk or put it in an envelope. They'll mail really easy too. So again, thank you so much for joining in. I hope you enjoyed this fun little creation for tonight. This is Jen Gross, Journey Coach Jen. Thanks again and have a great evening. Bye-bye.